how to add a gift receipt on Amazon AU. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is get into your Amazon, make sure you're logged into your account, and now you need to add your chosen item to your Amazon AU shopping cart, right? So what you're going to do is choose an item that you want to buy and add this to your shopping cart, add to cart. So after doing that, what we're going to do is get into our cart, and in here you have to remember that that exact item should actually have the option of, this order contains a gift in order for you to add a gift receipt. So all you need to do is when you do see that option, then tap on it and then proceed to checkout. So when you proceed to check out the gift option step, type a message if you want, and ensure the share digital gift receipt after delivery, or include a printed gift receipt is selected. After doing that, you can complete the checkout, and then prices will be hidden from that recipient. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching.